Hello and welcome to these lessons on how to create or build our first dashboard. Before we start the lesson today, I would like to do a quick recap on the lesson that we have previously talked about. On the previous lesson, we have loaded data into Qlik Sense. There are two ways to load data. The first way is to use Data Manager and the second way is to use Data Load Editor. So right now, if we click on Data Manager, we can see there are two tables here. Now, this will create data redundancy. There will be duplicated records if we load this into our dashboard later on. So we need to remove this table here. Just click on this table here and click on the keyboard delete button, and it will prompt out a window to delete the table. Just click on the delete button and reload the data here. Alright, and we run this load script here. Right now we will only left with one table here. Now let's go back to the Insight Sheets, go to the Analyze and then select on this drop down button here. Now let's go to Insights. This is the page where Qlik Sense will generate some of the recommended charts for us. So let's click on all the columns we have loaded into Qlik Sense, and we can see here Qlik Sense actually generated a combo chart for us, and then we also have a scatter plot here. Okay, then we click add on sheet. Alright, we add all the chart that we think is suitable for us. There's also an average price of by product here. Let's also add it into our sheet. After adding all of these here, let's move on to the sheets. Go to Analyze tab here, click on Sheets. Okay, now we can see there are three charts that we have added in from the Insight page. Now for the title here, this is actually the comparison of average price and average cost for product. Now if we don't want to view this as an average price, we can always go to Data Measures, Average Price here. Maybe we don't want to view as average price, we want to view this as the sum. Let's change this to sum, and the label we change it to price. Then click on enter. Same for the cost. Maybe we want it as a sum. Let's change this to cost. Alright. For the title, let's go to Appearance, General, and Comparison of Average Price, and we can't see completely. So we click on this Open Expression Editor here. Let's click on it. Here, comparison of, maybe you call it price and cost for product. Okay, let's click on Apply. And it's stated garbage. So we actually need to put in a single quote here and end it with a single quote here. Alright, now let's click on Apply. Now this will be our first chart here. So same thing for this scatter plot here. Go to Data, Average Price, change it to sum. This one, remove it. Alright, and do the same thing for cost. We want it as a sum. We name this thing here and also the title. Alright, go to Appearance. Let's start with a single quote and we end with a single quote here. Now the title will be Product Clustered by Price and Cost. And yep. So if we find this very troublesome, we can always create our own charts. let's go to the charts here, and let's say we want to create a bar chart like this. We drag this bar chart here, and then we add in our dimension. The dimension will be the product, and the measure will be our price column. Select price here and also select the sum. Okay, so we want our chart to be aggregated by sum. The title here, we can straight away click on here and we type in price by product. Alright. Now to change this from a vertical view to a horizontal view for the dimension, let's go to the appearance, and then let's go to presentation, change it to horizontal here. Now we can get a somehow similar charts generated from the inside here. We can get it almost similar, just that the sorting is a bit different. For the sorting part, we will cover this in the 5th lesson. Just stay tuned and let's talk about it later on. And yeah, that's all about the class today. And I can't wait to see you on the next lessons where we talk about how to create columns inside a table. Alright, so that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next lessons. Thanks and bye bye.